Ryan got in the car on his birthday.
Oh my gosh, it's so
He's gonna drive around the court.
And I'm Snapchatting it.
This might take him a while.
When he starts getting, you know, fluent, I'm gonna.
He's got the windshield wipers on.
That's why, like, no, wait, no, stop, no. Yes, turn right here. Like, oh, I can't. Hey, girl.
10 hours later.
10 days later.
10 days later.
10 decades later.
I've never seen so many cars in the court this morning. So this is going to be an obstacle course.
Yeah. Oh, okay, here we go, here we go, here we go.
Found the gas pedal. Took the foot off the brake. Put his foot back on the brake. Windshield wipers are back on again. He's a nervous wreck. 5 years from now, I'm going to say, Daddy, why did you teach him how to drive? Because he won't come home.
Why is it taking so long?
Because
He'll
he's
be
nervous.
driving. He'll be driving me
All right, there he goes. Up, he went and he stopped.
He's like so probably I'd be breaking down too. They're like the tiniest pieces on
Like I said, I've never seen so many cars in this court, and he's got...
it. It's his day to drive.
This isn't like driving the little Corvette.
Wait, why is he driving his car? He should be driving your car. Know why?
Here he
Your
goes.
car is tiny. He's on inch by inch. This is gonna be like a 3-minute video.
Oh, no, that's fine. That's fine. Let him get
One
the...
roll
He needs
at
to
a time.
trust that it's going to stop when he presses the brake. That's all he's doing.
Needs a turn.
Turn the steering wheel.
Yeah, he's turning.
Yay!
Yay! Woo!
And he missed all the cars. Yay! Did it come up in the... Here, let him come up in the driveway. Come on. Oh no, he's going to go around again? I think he's done. Is he going to go around again? He keeps pushing him. Oh, he's going to go around again. Turn the wheel. He's like, turn the wheel. Woo. Brookie, watch out. I think he's...
Yeah. Oh, for a second I thought
All right, yay!